Oh, that was not ideal. Good day, ladies and gents. Dad's just off to work over there. You can see out of the corner of the camera. I'm getting a start on my day here. If you're new to the channel, my name's Kylage, and yeah, we're just gonna go through our day on the ranch today. It's today's Thursday, about April 27th today. So yeah, first thing up, grain the heifer calves, and we do have 3 cull cows in with them to go to the sale. Well, I guess they'll be taken in next Wednesday. So yep, all these ones lost their calves. This one is my brother's old 4-H heifer Rocket. She's 12, and she ended up losing her calf, and he figured, well, she's getting old, so might as well sell her when she's worth something before her health goes down. So yeah. Hey, 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 hey. So yeah, it'd be sad to see Rocket go, but I guess that's part of just how life goes. We did get hammered last Wednesday, Thursday with another winter storm. Like, you know, all our snow was basically gone. There was obviously still some snow drifts in the trees and stuff like that, and the ground was still kind of froze, but it was like back at square one. We had about a 3-foot snowbank right where I'm standing, and snowbanks around the garage, barn, corrals everywhere, you know. So that was really pleasant. Went through about 30 straw bales in 2 days. So yeah, fun. But what are you gonna do? So yeah, that was Wednesday, Thursday. Like Wednesday I went to a concert in Regina. The roads were just tremendous on the way home, 60 clicks an hour. And went to Saskatoon Thursday night, and the slowest we went was 30 clicks an hour, and then the fastest we went was 110. The further north you got, the better the road conditions were, it seemed, but there was some rough conditions there for a while. But oh well. So I gotta go feed bales this morning. Gonna kick these quads out, pull the loader tractor out, and I'm gonna blow out the radiator and the air filter, because as the outside temperature is rising, it doesn't take long and that temperature gauge is gonna rise. So might as well take care of that before it causes an issue. Alrighty, it is 11 a.m. We're done moving bales out here. Now it's time to cut some twine. Yeah, 19 bales out. Started at about 8 and should be noon when I'm done. Usually takes about 4 hours if you're a one-man show. it's 2 hours if you got 2 people, obviously, because then one guy drives, one guy cut twines. But yep. We're up to 70 calves. There's just a walk through a few of them here. Oh, there's one there. Didn't see you. Well, it's after lunch now, and I'm sure the amount of people that run around their truck with a little can of touch-up paint each spring, there's very few, but whatever, you might as well, I suppose. We're out at the one specialty cow pen this afternoon. So we got 62J, that was the one with the cesarean. 73J, that's a crazy heifer. You can just see the look in her eye. She's just in a mood, as per usual. 10W, who was the one who's got the orphan calf, which in all reality we could probably kick those out with the main herd, but whatever. So yeah, it's a little mucky in this side, not so mucky in this side. Could bring in new straw if I was really bored, but this stuff's dry, so it'll be good. I just want to figure out the code to get this gate undone, and then we can move these buggers around. Just look at her, she's just fired. My goodness, what a critter. Like, I would say that's the wildest cow I have ever seen. And she's got some Hereford blood in her, if anything. Hereford and Red Angus, so isn't that amazing, eh? But oh well, I guess. As long as you don't be too stupid and just, now we're done, so walk away. No need to walk near her, so yep. Here's the scoop now. We're down at Ken's new land, and we're just working on tearing down this fence. We made a deal that if I take the fence down, I get to take all the materials. I think it's a pretty good deal because we get a bunch of posts, some barbed wire, and then he doesn't have to worry about tearing the fence down. Then whatever, I got her all made. So yeah, I just have this top wire right there left to do. Should take me about an hour and a quarter, and yeah, walk down, take all the staples off, turn around, spool the wire up. Be about 5 rolls to get you back to here where the truck is parked. That's what I had figured out yesterday. Since this top wire is rusted, so I'm not gonna reuse that, it's just going to the junk. I might end up making more rolls because it doesn't really matter how big or small they are since it's going to the garbage. So yep. And then at a later date, when we have 2 people, then we bring the loader tractor and chain and we pull all these posts. And yeah, don't worry, once this is done, we got to tear down some more fence too. So yep. there's this next cross fence we're taking out. So yeah, started his corner brace, bash this apart. I only do corner braces today, rip those apart if I get that far. And yeah, then long term the fence is going to be moved along this road, and then it'll go back east-west again once we get to the end of this field. But that's a project for another day. Be prepared for some cuss words. Okay, it started just. Here's yesterday's project. What is this guy? Oh, a pole. Okay, yeah, I think I did it yesterday. 9Y. Didn't have a lot of energy yesterday. Stand them up there. Looking for a 1/2 inch. Looking to also put this away. There we go. It's a 1/2 inch, 9/16. I think battery bolts are 1/2 inch. They might be 9/16. I don't exactly remember. One of those two. Oh, this one's a poster on the back. I thought they were on the top for some reason. That's feeling like a 1/2. Yep, that's a 1/2. That is little wee, about 3/8 that one. Let's see, it's the ground, so yep, we can start wish that one. This battery is 4 years old, and it's got a 3-year warranty, so I guess that would be about right, eh? Oh, I guess that would also spark, especially if you know, kind of ground yourself out on things. Okay, there's that. I could pliers this one, couldn't I? Nope, let's not pliers that, then we'll ruin it. Let's just go and do it right and get the wrench. Now they're in the old specimen we call the square now, because we figured we'd take, yeah, dirty hands, clean money. We got all our tools packed in here and got us a bag of cookery. These chips that are so spicy, they're flavors from India, but they were free, so I guess. What does the boss know today?
Well, free tastes pretty good.
Got old Cliffy there, the water jug.
She means a tune-up job from the Leatherman.
I got Bob, my water jug. Works good.
Why is it called Bob?
Because Bob gave it to me.
Really? Cliffy gave this to me. That's why it's called Cliffy.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, give me your pliers.
Steal them. Doing some big repairs here. When we figured out why there's water on the road, the culvert was blocked. So that makes sense. Anyways, now it'll drain out a little bit. A little bit of water flowing, but still got a lot before the road's fixed. So supper time. There goes my new fire pit. Old tractor rim. We sawed the tire with the angle grinder to get the rim out because we couldn't really get it pried very good. So, you know, just burn a little bit of rubber. Pretty mint there. So I'll take this up to the junk pile at some point. Well, that is about gonna wrap up today's activities. We went on a cow tour right before dark just to see what was happening, and there was kind of nothing new out there, so I guess that's all right. Maybe tomorrow we'll have some new calves, so yeah, it was a good day. Got quite a bit of stuff done. I don't know what kinds of trouble we'll get into tomorrow, but we shall see. So, yep. And whoa, okay, there we go. Now we're focused in. See here, we got 2090 also ripped apart. Took the PTO housing off. This is the one we pulled off, the original one. It's cracked there, like we're missing a piece, and yeah, so that chunk's missing and it's cracked on the other side. So yeah, that's like, because we have to change the PTO seal, so since we have to rip it apart, we figure we might as well change this when we're there. So we were able to get a used one, and we have to do some switching over, like put that piece on there and just kind of inspect it, that all the gears and clutches and everything is good. Yeah, and then fix those seals and new filters, new oil, all that fun stuff. As you can see, there's a little bit of just crud, filings, whatever down there. Just gotta clean that out kind of. But yeah, that's kind of what the back of the tractor looks like. I'm thinking that might be the brakes or something. I don't know. It's something to do differential. I don't know how it all works. And that right there is the gear that there's the shaft that runs a PTO. Yeah, and it's amazing. Still got writing on the inside. Western, because Western special, not having a 3-point hitch. That's what they called the ones with no 3-point hitch, were Western special or whatever. So yep, that's this project, but we got a start on it last Sunday and haven't really touched it much since. Yeah, springtime, there is 1,000,007 things going on. Lots of fences to check coming up here, and then sending critters out to pasture and all that. And yep, no shortage of things to do around here, that's for sure. So anyways, thanks for tuning into today's video, and yeah, we'll talk to you folks later.